Now let's insert the visual which can show us the geographical location. I will be showing revenue for each country plotted on a map itself. So see, it is very interesting. So Power BI shows map that uses a being map. So real time map we do have. So let's start. So I want to see the country wise revenue which should be on the map itself. So see on the fourth line, second one map, I'm going to take, see the three maps are here, Azure map and your field map and the map. So regular map I'm going to take, see and let me just drag it over here. Okay. I'll just keep this. Okay. So let me just put it on focus mode. So what I want a country wise, I want to check the country wise. Okay, country. Once you click the country, so see on the real-time map you can see the countries. So these country wise means that we already have a data in the background of Power BI, and that country field, the country heads having a different countries like Australia, Europe and North America. So these bubbles indicates that your organization operating in this particular region. So that's why once we clicked on the country, so that bubbles pop up on that particular region. And next we want to see the revenue. So very interesting, once I clicked on the revenue, it will the size of this bubble gets changed according to revenue. If the your revenue is maximum in North America, the you know that the bubble will increase its size. So let's click on it. See. Okay. So again, one interesting part is here. Again, we have format visual over here. So you can change the map setting also. See, we have a different maps. So by default, we have a road map. You can take a aerial as it is. So aerial. So you can again zoom it, right? For particular region. Is it? Again, you have, see, again it's repeating because you have this much region only, right? See, the next dark theme is here, light one, grayscale, and default one, road one. So I'd go with the road, right? Then again, you have category labels. So this bubble will get the categories label. If you clicked on, see, the France, United States, Canada, UK, and Australia, right? So a lot of options are here. Hit map it again here, right? So that means this bubble will gone. That means it will show like a heat map. Is it? I don't want that. Okay, again general setting, title and all those stuff. Let me go to the back to the report view. See. Again what we are going to do? Again we are going to do the formatting. You know that format painter, and just click over here. Revenue by country. Yes, right. I'm okay with this title. So again I'll have to put one line over here. Shape under this. You know it, what we are going to do. The rotation of your shape will be 270. Again. So why I'm doing this, why I'm keeping this line, you will get it later on. See. Okay. Okay, right. I hope you got the idea how you can take the map and how you can plot your country wise. So again you can put the maximum revenue instead of this. See, under this revenue you can put the maximum revenue or the according to your condition. Okay, we have several measures, I guess. Is it? Good. Let me just put this return rate. See, the return rate is also given. So according to the country, so according to your condition, you can check for that particular country, and it's a real time. Very interesting, very interesting, very nice. Okay, so let me do it again for us. It's a revenue. Okay, so I hope that you